Hi, I'm Steve from Amtech. Been asked a question by Gerald of Aldershot about our 8-function car wash and garden sprayer, the S5536. He'd like to know, how does it work and how do I fit it? Well, let's have a quick look. This is the S5536, the Amtech 8-function car wash and garden sprayer. You fill the soap by just unscrewing and putting in there, or if you want to use plant feed as well, just make sure it's rinsed out between each use. And the thing that I really like about it is its easy grip. You just press it once and the gun is on, press it again and the gun is off. The fittings, it will fit any standard 1/2-inch garden hose connector. With 8 different spray settings, you choose the best pattern for your lawn and plants. From stream, flat, centre, jet, shower, mist, cone and rinse. You can also add lawn and plant feed into the feed dispenser so you can water and feed at the same time. Right. Remove the container and fill with whatever wash and wax you want. Attached to the bottle, on the top it says soap big, soap medium, soap small, and then it's got water. So we're going to try it on soap big first of all. So now we're going to put it onto soap small. And now we're going to rinse that off with water. So you just turn it onto water, no more soap will come out after the initial bit. Thanks for watching. For any other questions regarding tools for the home, garage and garden, please visit amtechdiy.com and we look forward to answering them for you. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our Amtech DIY YouTube channel for more DIY videos. Thank you.